Hello everyone. The lesson is aimed at grade 3-4 students. The lesson is built on students' interests and motivations to create and build using STEM, design and technology. Students are to build a pirate ship of their choice. As you can see here, the activity was chosen to show a highly developed interest in hands-on experiences as what the students are engaged in. When the students are creating a pirate ship, their focus is to recognize and explore patterns. The students follow algorithms needed to solve simple problems, including design of their pirate ship. They are to think about the resources, colors, and shapes needed to keep their pirate ship afloat, as you can see here. To broaden the 21st century skills, they are added to develop the attitude, skills, and required tasks. Students require the understanding of 21st century skills as they provide a framework for their successful learning in the classroom. As the students are reading, writing, and applying critical thinking and problem-solving skills within the activity, effective communication, collaboration, and team-building skills take place as they apply creativity and innovation to the pirate ship of their choice. For the pirate ship activity, the teaching approaches that can be used are supporting the students in ensuring the correct use of resources are used and providing additional support to ensure the correct methods are enforced by the students. Applying critical thinking assessments to gather knowledge of what the students already know about creativity. To apply this to their pirate ship, when the students are working in groups, they can share and create ideas with other students to ensure the task is understood by all the students. The educator is to monitor students' behaviours, skills, attitudes. The formative assessment strategy that is undertaken during this activity is to help students identify their strengths and weaknesses and targeted areas of needs, providing strategies to those students who need additional support with their creativity and engagement through individual and class discussions. Overall, a peer assessment strategy will be used so the students can identify the strengths and weaknesses of the activity and provide feedback. Working alongside the educator, students can create experiences to benefit their learning. Enjoy this experience, guys. I really hope you enjoy it.